I love being able to talk to people about products that I've used for a long time that I can truly back. Doubletake Mirrors is one of those companies. I want to take you through the mirrors, the mounting options, and some of the miscellaneous accessories that you might not know exist with this company. There are four main options when it comes to the actual mirror. We'll start with the easiest, which is the trail. The trail is a zip tied on option. And then we have the classic adventure, which is the triangular shape. And then the Dualsport, which is rounded. Both of them share the same arm length. The Enduro, so a round mirror with the elongated arm. So the mirror utilizes three pieces. So you have the ball, the arm, which is spring-loaded, and then the mirror itself. There's a big improvement in the actual ball that goes onto your handlebars, and they came out with the base kit that includes this hardware as well as the new style ball that has the bolt go through the ball. This is what comes in it. The old ball, people used to have issues with stripping off the nut that was on it to tighten it. The arms and kits are available in two lengths, so the 3.5 and the 6. This is the new style. They used to use RAM for the ball and the arm, but now they've gone with their own arm and ball style that's much improved. And for comparison, this is one of my original Doubletake sets. So here's the original ball that you would just tighten on with a wrench. And this is the improvement with the bolt through design. The arms, the new version. The old school RAM mount. Then the mirror itself has stayed pretty much the same. So to start, you unscrew your stock mirror from the Perch, reinstall the ball using the appropriate bolt to your threads, put the arm on the ball, and then the mirror into the arm. The center knob will tighten everything down, and I recommend you tighten it just to a point where you can move everything with your hand, but the wind isn't going to push it. The only other recommendation I would have is to go with the long arm, so the 6-inch arm versus the 3.5. This is subjective and it's going to depend on bike, but I find that most of the adventure bikes I've had seem to suit the 6-inch arm better for getting in and around your shoulder. And they also sell the mirrors individually, so if you have arm kits from before and you want to change to a different style, but you don't need the arm, you can purchase just the mirror itself, or you can purchase full kits where you have the arm and the mirror based on the length already pre-built. So one thing over time customers I found weren't aware of was that the reflector can actually be replaced. So if this gets damaged, you can actually pop this out and put a replacement in. Doubletake has the process for doing the replacement on their site, and it's a pretty quick and easy step-by-step guide. The security nut kit that removes the center portion of the arm and instead puts a security screw in so you can't easily steal the mirror. It would be clamped in place on top. They also make different perch options. If your bike doesn't have a mirror perch point for installation, you can swap these in.